I love you. Aren't you?
Aren't you a good boy?
Aren't you? Yeah.
I wanted a lovebird when I was in Lanzarote. I fell in love with that bird.
Shall we have some nuts?
Just relax
your shoulder.
He'll fit on the
There you go. Hello. Hello, darling. Here. You're going in my freezer.
I think he just likes breaking them up with his...
That's not nearly as nice as Millet's going to be.
What did he say then? Not birds?
No? I know. So, go a dear, a female dear, ready a drop of sun. Me a name, I call myself, far a long way to ride. So, needle pulling thread, like a note to follow. Me, a drip with jam and bread, that brings us back to time. Me, fa, sol, la, ti, do, do, a dear, female dear, Roy. It's like you're saying Roy. Drop of gold.
I think he wants show me, doesn't he? Doesn't he keep saying show me? I think he's waiting for show me.
Do you like good music? Yeah, yeah. Rock. Naughty. Yeah.
We've come to see Shelley. Sorry, Shelley.
He's totally doing vibrato. It's amazing.
He's trying to keep up with you, isn't he?
I love you.
Show me. Show me. It's when you see the side view of his...
You're amazing. Hello. Hello, boy. You want a nut? Hello. Hello, have one. Thank you very much. Lovely being all crumbed on. Do you not want, do you want this bit?
Yeah.
Have this bit.
Lovely.
I tell you what, come up here, come on.
No,
Hello, come on then.
get him to say
Lovely. Lovely.
This isn't recording anymore, Nate. I don't think this is recorded at all.
No, it is.